In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple videos on Canva. So if you want to use Canva to, let's say, combine a bunch of videos or create a video and you have a bunch of clips, you can easily do that in Canva. You want to head over to your Canva account and just simply click on home and you'll find these options here, these icons here on the top. One of them is a video. You click on that. Once you click on that, you can choose now whichever size you want. So let's say you want to create a YouTube video or a video to post on YouTube or whatever. Click the landscape option right here. As you can see on the left side, the first option that I've is the landscape. You click on that and it's going to create you a blank canvas for uploading your landscape video. Now, as you can see, I have this option right here where I can easily put in my videos. Now, you want to go ahead and choose where those videos are. So you want to click on upload. And of course, you can go to videos and you can find those videos on your computer if you upload them as well. Or you can do that once you click on the plus button right here, you can choose upload. It's going to open up the upload section of your Canva and you can upload those videos as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and choose, for example, this video right here and edit a bunch of times. But this can work if you have multiple videos. So you want to find the video and just click on it and drag it onto your timeline and let go, and you will see it as well. And as I said, if you have multiple videos, you can add it as well. So I'm going to add this another time as well, and you can drag it in before or after if you desire. It's really up to you. So I'm going to add this one after as well. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to videos as well on Canva and just go ahead and find something as well. So let me click on videos and show you that you can add even videos from within Canva as well. You can use a search. So what, let's say I'm going to choose nature as an example, and I want to use this video right here. I can drag it. And like, as I said, you can place it wherever, before, after, in the middle, you can choose wherever you want. Now, once you add your videos on your timeline, you can adjust them, can easily adjust the videos if you want, and you can always rearrange them if you ever want to at any point in time. You can easily go ahead and click add transitions. As you can see, it says add media blank. You can click on that and you can choose to even add pictures in it and all those good stuff if you so desire. So it's really easy to do. And you can go ahead and you can do a ton of stuff with Canva. You can add a transition, you can do a bunch of stuff. As you can see here as well, you can even duplicate, you can add music to it. For example, if I want to add a transition, as you see here, it's in the list as well. I can click on add transition and I can choose whatever I want, let's say that, and I can easily do it. So as you can see, the transition is there. So over any video clip or click on any video clip and you will see three dots on the upper right. You click on it and you can find transitions and you can add whichever transition that you want. And once you're done, go ahead and click share in the upper right hand side and click on download. And you will be able to choose the quality of the video as well. This is 1080p. You can bring it all the way up to 4K. If you have the paid version of Canva, of course, you can download your video in that resolution as well and click and download. And that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.